Hello student, this is the question GATE 1998, 2 marks. If an instruction takes I microsecond, means man memory access time is I microsecond, and page fault take additionally J microsecond. What is page fault service time? I plus J. I plus J. And what is the effective instruction access time? If average page fault occur for every K instruction, what is the page fault rate? 1 by K. Then what is effective memory access time? 1 माइनस पी. जब भी पेज फॉल्ट नहीं होगा मेमोरी एक्सिस, और जब भी पेज फॉल्ट होगा तो पेज फॉल्ट सर्विस टाइम. क्लियर? तो 1 माइनस पी यानी 1/1 माइनस के. मेमोरी एक्सिस टाइम इज आई प्लस पेज फॉल्ट रेट इज 1 बाई के, और पेज फॉल्ट सर्विस टाइम इज आई प्लस जे. क्लियर? सो हियर यू कैन solve this equation. I minus I by k plus I by k plus j by k. This one is cancel out, so answer is I plus j by k. This also question come in the competition also, so the answer is A, I plus j by k. Here you can see effective memory access time means page fault into service time 1 minus page fault into memory access time, where P is page fault rate, that is nothing 1 by K, and S is page fault service time, that is nothing I plus J, and M is man memory access time I. So what will happen? I plus J by K plus 1 minus P any 1/1 minus K, I by K. So answer you are getting I plus J by K. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.